Hi Del, happy 60th birthday to you, kapatid. I wish you good health and good life. I love you and I miss you so much. Sana mag-enjoy ka sa party mo. And I wish I was there, but anyway, see you maybe soon. I love you. Happy birthday.
Cumpleaños feliz, cumpleaños feliz, feliceamos todos, cumpleaños feliz. Happy birthday, Tita Del! Tita Del! Enjoy your birthday and God bless, Tita Del. I love you.
Happy birthday, Mommy Day! We wish you good health and good fortune. Sabi nga po nila, what you manifest is what you will attract. Kaya let's manifest for all the good things in life. Happy 60th!
Hi, my BFF Pinsan. Kumusta na? Happy 60th birthday and more birthday to come pa. Kaya Pinsan, sana nandyan ako, no, para lalong masaya. Pero anyway, pagpunta mo dito sa Cavite, syempre pupuntahan mo ko, banding ulit tayo dahil namimiss ko na yung banding natin. Lalo na yung pag nagkakantahan tayo, especially pag kumakain tayo, kahit na ano lang, kahit tuyo lang, ang saya-saya ng pakiramdam natin para tayong malayang ibon. Kasi nga, pag magkasama tayo, parang wala lahat. I'm so happy talaga. Kumusta na rin sa'yo sa husband mo, kay Ogie. Sana minsan magkasama-sama tayo muli. Ingat kayo palagi. I love you so much. God bless.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday sa'yo. Happy birthday, ate. Wish ko sa'yo, namin ni Jom at ni Jojo, good health, happiness. Yung alam mong pwedeng ibigay sa atin ni Lord, sana makuha mo. At higit sa lahat, always maging maganda. Yun lang, ate. Basta alam mo, we love you. Hindi man tayo nakikita. Kasama naman kayo sa mga prayers ko. Sa mga shortcoming ko, sorry din, ate. Basta we love you and enjoy your day. Bye! Love you!
Hello, Ate Del. Happy birthday. Dual citizen ka na. I wish na lagi kang healthy. Kayo ni Kuya Ogie. More blessings to come. And stay happy. I love you. Mwah, mwah.
Go! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Tita Del. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Tita Del. Love you. Bye-bye. Enjoy your day. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye.
Happy birthday, Del. 60 years old ka na, no?
Happiest birthday po, tita. Sana po madami pang birthday. And enjoy niyo po araw niyo ngayon. See you soon. Bye-bye.
Hi, friend. Happy birthday. Dual citizen ka na. I missed you. Stay healthy. And more birthdays to come. I miss you.